Today we are going to study Standard 9th, Subject Yoga, Health and Physical Education, Lesson 14, Volleyball, Part 2. पिछले लेक्चर पार्ट 1 में हमने वॉलीबॉल के ग्राउंड के मेजरमेंट, इक्विपमेंट्स के बारे में देखा, स्किल में सर्विस और दूसरी स्किल है पासिंग के बारे में हमने देखा। आज हम आगे की स्किल के बारे में समझेंगे। थर्ड स्किल है सेटिंग, सेटअप। In volleyball game, ball is passed fairly high and close to the net for the attacker to smash downward in the opponent court is called setting. There are two types of setting. First, high setup and second, low setup. First, high setup. The setter lifts the ball high over his own head near the net. It is called high setup. In this setup, the player lifts the ball above his head over the net approximately 1.25 to 1.50 meters high. Second, low setup. The setter lifts the ball about 50 to 30 centimeter over the नेट। जो आप यहाँ इस स्लाइड में देख पा रहे हो, ये जो है वो हाई सेटअप का पोजीशन और ये दूसरा जो है लो सेटअप, बिल्कुल नेट के ऊपर बॉल को कैसे सेट किया जाता है, ये पोजीशन है यहाँ दिखाई दी गई है। उसके बाद फोर्थ, स्मैशिंग और स्पाइकिंग। Spiking means playing or hitting the ball over the net in the opponent's court forcefully by the smasher is called smashing. There are two types of spiking. First, one leg takeoff and second, two leg takeoff. First, one leg takeoff. Player takes 2 or 3 steps and takes jump with one leg to hit the ball which is set over the net. Ball should be hit with open palm by the strong hand. While performing this skill, players should not violate any center line or net foul. This skill is mostly used in zone 2 or 3. Second, two-leg takeoff. In this skill, the spiker comes running and spikes the ball over the net by taking two-leg takeoff. To score more points, this skill is important. तो आप यहाँ देख रही है स्लाइड में ये वन लेग टेक ऑफ और दूसरी स्लाइड में आप देख रहे हो टू लेग टेक ऑफ की पोजीशन बताई हुई है। नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ नंबर, ब्लॉकिंग। Blocking is an action of player close to the net to intercept the spiked ball coming from the opponent by reaching higher than the top of the net. Only front line players are permitted to complete a block. This technique can be performed by 3 types. First, one-man block, second, two-man block, and third, three-man block. To stop the ball over the net by one-man block, two-man block, and three-man block, skills are in use. Players who have quick reaction time, proper time, and jumping ability are able to maintain balance in the air can do very well in blocking. In blocking, players try to stop the spiking ball by open palms of both the hands. This is the best defensive skill of volleyball. First, one man block. One player from the front line blocks the ball which is spiked by the opposite team. Second, two man block. Two front line players block the ball which is smashed by opposite team. In this block, there are more chances to block the ball. Third, three man block. All the three front line players block the ball simultaneously which is smashed by the opposite team. In this technique, chance to block are more. तो यहाँ आपको बताया गया है ये वन मैन ब्लॉक जो एक प्लेयर बॉल को नेट के ऊपर ब्लॉक करता है, दूसरे में यहाँ टू मैन ब्लॉक दो प्लेयर एक साथ में बॉल को ब्लॉक करते हुए दिखाया गया है। यहाँ भी आप नीचे भी देख सकते हो ये पोजीशन उनकी। और ये है थर्ड थ्री मैन ब्लॉक, तीनों प्लेयर एक साथ में नेट पे बॉल को कैसे ब्लॉक करते हैं ये आपको यहाँ इस स्लाइड में देखने को मिलता है। उसके बाद नंबर 6, नेट रिकवरी। ड्यूरिंग गेम, recovering the ball after it rebounds off the net and successfully made ball in play is called recovery. Frontline players should be ready to play the rebounded ball of the net. As soon the ball rebounds off the net and it falls down, it should be lifted high or should be passed to the opponent court. तो यहाँ ये 6 स्किल के बारे में हमने देखा। अभी आगे रूल्स ऑफ वॉलीबॉल गेम्स के रूल्स देखेंगे हम। एक, मेजरमेंट ऑफ वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट। द लेंथ इज 18 meters and width is 9 meters. Attack line is 3 meters away from the center line. Second, height of the net for men is 2.43 meters and for women it is 2.24 meters. Third, each team consists of maximum 12 players in which 6 are substitute. Fourth, the games start with toss of coin. Fifth, at the national and international level, a 5-set match is played and the team that wins 3 sets is declared as the winner. Normally, people play a 3-set match in which the team winning 2 sets is declared as the winner. 6. At the end of each set, the players change the side of ground. In the deciding set, side of ground is changed at 8 points. Number 7. Each set consists of 25 points. The team that scored 25 points first will be declared winner. In the score are equal at 24 points, the game continues till the lead of 2 points is achieved by any one team. 8. If both teams win 2-2 set, then 5th set will be deciding set, which will be of 15 points. 9. Each team is allowed maximum 6 substitutes. One or more player may be substituted at the same time. Number 10. During the play, a team is allowed to play the ball maximum 3 times to send it over the net to the opposite side. Number 11. A player may not hit the ball two times consequently, but blocker can play the ball immediately after the block. Number 12. Each team is entitled to maximum of 2 time outs. All team outs are of 30 seconds. Interval between two sets is of 7 minutes. During deciding set, interval is of 10 minutes. 13. The server must hit the ball within 7 seconds after the first referee whistle for service. Next point, Libero. Libero is a special defensive player in the team. He cannot do service, smashing or blocking. He wears colored t-shirt different from other players. He cannot act as a captain. When ball is dead, he can replace any one of the backline players. A libero can be changed any number of times. The libero must be recovered on the score sheet before the libero must be recorded on the score sheet before the match in the special line reserved for it. तो यहाँ हमने वॉलीबॉल की स्किल, उसके बेसिक्स रूल्स के बारे में जानकारी ली. यहाँ हमारा ये लेसन पूरा होता है. थैंक यू.